Hi, welcome to Stitch in Heaven Block of the Month headquarters. My name is Debbie and I'm thrilled today to share with you one of our new Block of the Months that has started or will be starting here August 2024. The name of this quilt is Midnight Meadow. It is a 97 by 97 inch quilt, which is about a full-size quilt. This program is an 11-month program. The designer of this quilt is Nancy Rink. Nancy was honored to create this gorgeous quilt design using traditional prints. You'll see a multi-bordered around the accent blocks. So these are, and then you've got additional blocks surrounding that. This quilt uses Marcus fabrics from the Midnight Meadow Smithsonian Collection. So this quilt is in collaboration with the Cooper-Hewitt Smithsonian Design Museum. So it's just an absolutely beautiful quilt with beautiful fabrics, traditional fabrics, beautiful colors. Within your first month, you're going to have your fabrics that'll be needed to create your first block, month one. You'll also have this beautiful pattern, and this pattern is so informative. It gives you a little history about the Cooper-Hewitt Museum. Beautiful picture of the quilt. You'll also have your fabric key on the inside that will align with your fabrics that you'll be receiving. And then you've got each month laid out for you. So your first block shows the picture of your first block that you'll be creating. Gives you your instructions as well, and it carries out through the rest of your pattern book. We also have this beautiful welcome letter. This welcome letter gives you some additional information with regards to just some housekeeping things regarding your block of the month. So it indicates what day of the month your block of the month will bill. It also, again, tells you it is an 11-month program. You'll open up this beautiful welcome letter and you'll have a picture of your quilt on the inside. And then we've got several QR codes that will give you informational links to important information. So we've got a fabric key link. We've got a link that connects you to subscribe to our newsletter, which I really encourage you to do. You'll get a lot of information through that newsletter about new bombs coming up or specials that we might have, information on our cruises, just a lot of good information that we can provide to you. It also gives you information regarding updating your billing address and billing information. The last one, last but not least, is our Facebook group link. So we really encourage here at Stitch in Heaven you to join our Facebook group. You'll be joined with others as a community creating this beautiful quilt, to be able to share tips and tricks and share your photos each month of your block that you've created. It's a great place to ask questions of other experienced quilters. So we really encourage you to please be a part of that group. On the back, there's some additional information with regards to our store hours and our customer service hours. So if you're not able to get your questions answered in your Facebook group, please feel free to reach out to our great customer service team and they'll be able to assist you with any questions that you have. Thank you so much for being a part of this, this Quilt Block of the Month program. If for some reason now you weren't able to get in on this particular block of the month, I encourage you to go to stitchinheaven.com and click on our Block of the Month program. And in that list, you'll see an extensive list of other quilts that you can be a part of. I'm sure there's one that'll really speak to you. So if you find that one beautiful quilt that you'd like to be a part of and learn how to make, I encourage you to click that register button and sign up right away, as those spots do fill up really quick. Again, thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day and enjoy quilting Midnight Meadow. Thank you.